Hey, how's it going? I'm Jason with Lucky Dog Laser Works, and today we're cutting up some Wicket and Craig leather we just got in. So we got 4 colors: natural, black, tan, and light brown. What I'm going to do is cut a swatch off of each, apply some adhesive over at the heat press, and then we'll laser our design, finish them, and apply them to some hats. So what we're looking to do is just kind of knock out 1 or 2 steps in our process. Right now we order raw veg tan leather in from Tandy, and then we condition it, dye it, laser it, finish it, and apply it to hat patches. So if we can use this pre-dyed leather to knock out 1 or 2 steps in our process, that's what we're looking to do, be more efficient. So follow along, here we go. Let's make some hat patches. Okay, so what I'm going to do first, cut a 4-inch strip off of each piece, and then we'll apply the adhesive to that. I'm going to leave the rest raw, so then we can test out some keychains, as well as we are working on getting stitched patches and going to that beside adhesive. So we're going to leave that raw. So we'll cut 4 inches off of each piece. Got this handy dandy ruler here. Alright, so now we've got our 4 strips. We'll take and get some adhesive cut and then go over to the heat press and press it on. Alright, so what I'm using for adhesive is this Hide Bond adhesive. This is an industrial grade, dual-sided heat activated adhesive. So the shiny side will go towards the leather. And I actually had this piece left over and it works out kind of perfect. So I can set these all on there. I'll just press them all at one time and then cut them loose here in a little bit. So we'll get that pressed. And then once we get our design lasered on and cut off, then we can peel off the paper backing and then apply it to the hat. We're going 12 seconds. There we go. Now we've got a nice sheet. The adhesive is applied, ready to go. I'm just going to cut those apart. And there we have it, 4 pieces ready to go. We're going to do some tests and then we'll start burning some patches. Okay, so tests are all complete. Looks like we're going to be at 1,000 millimeters a second, 30% power, 400 DPI. Leaves nice engraved, doesn't blow a bunch of char all over the place. So we're going to run with that. Now we're going to cut some patches and see how they look and put them on some hats. All right, now that we've got the patches cut and engraved, finished, ready to get pressed on, I'm going to show you the lineup of what we have here. We've got the tan going on the gray flex fit, tan going on the green and white decky back here, natural going on the YP Classic white and black, light brown going on the auto, light brown going on this YP Classic flat bill. Of course, I had to make a hat for myself, so I've got the tan going on the YP Classic, and then we've got a black one going on the Decky Vegas Gold and Black. All right, here we go in no particular order. Start getting these suckers pressed up. And just like that, we've got 7 leather patched hats ready to go. Now I can use these for advertisements, or when people stop by the shop, they can get a hands-on feel for the hats before they make a purchase. Thanks for watching.